That's the ultimate fucking...
Yeah, because you're shouting. You're always shouting.
Ellen, pwedeng
you always raise your voice.
Shouting. I'm always shouting.
You don't have
Jess,
to
alam ikaw na ba ako dito sa pamahay na to?
Tumag, Jess.
Napakamanhid mo. Putang ina, eto na, sa'yo na to, putang ina. Ha, pare.
Diba, I told you I was quiet because why was she so worried about the things when the house is falling
Maybe because
off?
that means something
Oh,
to her.
okay.
Kasi ang problema sa'yo, everything is an object that can be replaced. So sabihin mo sa akin, pareho kami? Sabihin mo, tignan mo mangyayari dito. Sabihin mo! Hindi mo masabi. I wish you could look at yourself in the mirror and see how you are. You're too cool. You're the shit. Ano ba ng mga boss mo? Punta puro ka pasisira sa akin. Grabe, ang sarap ng pakiramdam. Ang taong mahal mo, walang magsabing maganda tungkol sa'yo. Pareho pala kami? Bakit mo ako pinakasalan, putang ina? Di ba yun ang tanong?
Did you know women have 52% less serotonin than men?
I did not.
Which is why if you make them mad, they're never going to forget it because it stimulates the part of their brain that keeps them stuck. And why women are at twice the risk of depression as men.
The predisposition to rumination, to being stuck on thought patterns.
Yes.
Okay. So
they also have better frontal lobes though. So I published a study on 46,000 brains and looking at differences between male and female brains, and women have much better frontal lobe function, which is why they go to jail 14 times less than men do.
I imagine the testosterone plays a role there as well.
It does, but also the lack of forethought.